this is Laura. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how I make a pineapple banana bread. They are so delicious for this time of year. My favorite season of all is the fall season. We're just about to hit it. Even though I must admit I live in Texas and fall is not really fall. It's still 90 plus degrees, but anyways, we just live with it. We're still gonna bake here on this channel. I hope you stick around. If you are new here, welcome. I hope that you consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. If you are a regular on my channel, thank you so much and I appreciate you. Okay guys, let's go ahead and get started with this recipe. Alrighty guys, before we get going on the stand mixer, we are going to take our flour and our salt, baking soda, and cinnamon, and we're going to mix this all together. Give it a little mix. Alright, we're going to add in our sugars. We're going to add in our brown sugar, our white sugar, and our oil. Okay, we're going to beat this until light and airy, and then we're going to add our eggs one at a time in between each egg. Okay, now we are going to add our vanilla, our pineapple, and the banana. And we're going to mix this for about a minute. Okay, now we are going to start adding in our flour a little bit at a time. Just turn it on slowly. Okay, and that's it. I'm going to transfer you back over to the counter. Alrighty guys, I have the batter here. The last thing that we are going to add are the pecans. And we're just going to drop them in there and fold them in. Ready to go. Okay, now I am going to bake mine in this 4-compartment cake pan. I'll try to list this down below for y'all. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the measuring cup and try not to get this everywhere. I have the oven preheating to 350 degrees. Okay, and then the rest of this, I'm going to pour it into a 9x5 baking pan, loaf pan. Okay, so for now, I'm going to bake these, and I will be right back with the exact baking time for these pineapple banana breads. Delicious. I'll be right back, guys. Hey guys, I just wanted to break into this video while I'm waiting for my breads to bake, just to say if you are one of the people who always gives my videos a thumbs up and leaves a comment, thank you very much. I really appreciate it, and it really helps my channel out a whole lot. It tells YouTube to share my content a little bit more with new eyes. Thanks a bunch if you're the one always giving my videos a thumbs up. Okay, back to the video. Okay everybody, the breads are out. I've had them cooling. They baked for exactly 40 minutes. I also baked a 9x5-inch cake loaf with this, but I'm going to keep that out of the video. Now I'm going to make a little glaze to go along with this. I think that would be really nice. I have a little bit of powdered sugar. I held back some pineapple from the can, and what I like to do is first take out the pineapple. This should be just probably enough, and put in a little bit at a time, so that it doesn't get too runny, because the powdered sugar will start to melt into the, see how fast it melts into the juice? And you don't want this too runny. I think that's going to be just enough right there. And then if you need more, well, of course you make another little batch, but I try not to make too much because I don't want to throw it away. And then we take our little breads. That's a good angle there. And then I just spoon it over and let it dry before you cut into them. Enough. Use every last bit of that. Okay, so I'm just going to let this dry on here. It'll take just a couple of minutes, and then we will have our bite. Look at that, how delicious. Alrighty guys, these are ready to go. I've done sliced one of them. Look at how cute these are. I wish we had smell-o-vision, guys. These things smell so scrumptious. Alright, let's go ahead and give these a bite. Okay, we're back guys, and I'm just gonna have a bite. I just barely could resist biting it. Oh goodness, these are just a must try. You must try these. These are delicious. Now you can taste the pineapple. You can taste the banana separately. Everything has its own little taste. Very moist, not overly sweet. Now these little breads, you can freeze them. That's why I like to make them in smaller portions. So if I want some later in the week or next week, whatever, I put them on a cookie sheet and I freeze them. And once they're frozen, I take them out. Then I wrap them in saran wrap and foil or put them in a Ziploc freezer bag. And they freeze wonderfully. Take them out. Thaw them at room temperature. You can toast them, put a little butter for breakfast. Delicious. You must try these. Okay guys, that's gonna do it for the video. I will have the recipe linked down below. Go take a look there. If you have any questions, leave me a comment and I will get back with you. And most importantly, don't forget to share with family and friends. That really helps me out a lot. Okay guys, I'll talk to y'all later. Bye. Let's take another bite. Couldn't even help this one. Good.